So hello, I'm Kaz Bhaneria, and we have with us today Mayur Sisodia, and he's from Pacho. He's done his engineering from Indore. He will introduce himself, right? Mayur.
So hi guys, first of all I would like to thank Vikas to give me an opportunity to express my thoughts and the feeling and my small opinion on what you can do in your future and what we have done to grab the right things in our life. Okay, so first of all I would like to introduce myself Mayur Singh Sisodia. I'm the son of Mr. Bharat Singh Sisodia, who is the banker by profession in NGGB Bank, and my mother, she is Farita Sisodia. She is government high school teacher, and I have one sister. She is Priya Sisodia, who is pursuing her MS surgeon in optho from Gwalior. So nothing more or less about me. I have not done that much big thing
This is
in
too
my
much.
life.
This is too much.
Yeah.
No one has gone to that far in our society.
Yeah.
So हम हिंदी में भी कुछ पूछ
हाँ,
सकते
हाँ,
हैं.
you can go
because
ahead.
our
I like
audience
it,
are
okay.
Hindi
No,
only.
it's
So
okay.
it is good.
I would love to have talk in Hindi. ठीक है.
So you have done engineering in 2015. You pass out, right? From
From
SGS
GSITS,
ITS
yeah.
Indore. So it was MPP PET that time.
Yeah,
I guess.
I got 120th rank in MPPT. I also got some of the major NITs, but I was not getting the branches जो मुझे चाहिए थी. I was not about to got those branches, but I would love to go in mechanical at that time, but unfortunately I didn't get it because I always wanted to go in aerodynamics, in aeronautical, and in mechanical.
That
in
time
automobile.
mechanical was in demand, like it was booming that time.
It was booming at that time. So, but unfortunately, I didn't get it. So it's okay. I never have regret on that point.
Yeah.
So I
So
decided.
by chance you chose computer science.
Yeah, actually, there is one point in my mind at that time that I was pro in the gaming at that time. Okay, so I decided that yeah, there is nothing to do, in advance in computer science. Like you can easily have and go through that point. So I decided to took that, but I was not aware about the coding and all things.
Yeah.
Like you have to go in very deep about the machine language, about the C, about the binary digits 0
Okay.
1 0 1 0 1 and all. So
That's a jargon computer
yeah,
science
so
student can
yeah,
understand.
but it's okay. Like I have gone all through these things. बहुत मेहनत करी यार, क्योंकि माई कॉलेज वॉज टोटली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर कॉलेज. RGPV दैट बिलोंग्स फ्रॉम द RGPV, बट द पॉइंट इज़ दैट आपका जो एग्ज़ाम होता है GSITS में, वो खुद ही फ्रेम करते हैं क्वेश्चन पेपर्स. वो बहुत टफ होते हैं. यू हैव टू गॉन थ्रू योर ओन बुक्स एक्चुअली. आपको सारी बुक्स, सारे नोट्स खुद के लेने पड़ते हैं, तब जाके वहाँ से आपका इंजीनियरिंग कंप्लीट होता है. वहाँ से इंजीनियरिंग करने के बाद पता चला भाई कि जब कंपनीज आई प्लेसमेंट के लिए, एंड एट दैट टाइम
कंपनी यू जॉइन?
My first company which I have joined is OYO. It's Oracle Stays Private Limited. लोगों के लिए OYO.
The company visited your campus?
No. The company which I have visited in my campus, in which I got placed, was first one is Brom Brookmere. Yeah, and second one is Wells Fargo. I hope
Wells Fargo is very known company.
Yeah, I got in the second most top round of for Deloitte, but
Deloitte, it's finance.
it's finance. It's consultant plus finance, yeah, plus business company.
Yeah.
But unfortunately I didn't got placed in Deloitte. So Wells Fargo I rejected, and then after all that, yeah, I have decided to go in business domain only because I'm not very much interested in coding and all.
Okay.
मेरा ऐसा था कि अगर मैं कोडर बनूंगा तो गूगल के लिए बनूंगा, नहीं तो मैं कोडर नहीं बनूंगा. इट्स लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू सिट ऑन दैट. एक टर्म होती है उसमें आपका इन्फोसिस में कि बेंच पे बैठे हैं लोग. TCS में बेंच पे बैठे हैं. बेंच मीन्स कि दे आर जस्ट सिटिंग इन द ऑफिस, बट they are not doing anything, only just earning 30,000 rupees in their pocket. That's all. They are not doing anything.
Yeah,
so I don't want to be that kind of a coder actually.
So you started from OYO, right?
हाँ, तो I have some contacts in Gurgaon. So उस टाइम पे क्या था ना यार, when OYO was taking their employees, तो OYO was hiring from tier 1 colleges. मतलब they are hiring only from IITs, IIMs. Okay, so when I have sent my resumes to them ना, तो उन्होंने मेरे को बोला कि यार we never heard about your college, this is not the college from which we love to hire the students. So I told them कि this is the second topmost college of central India, and it's known for its placement and all. You can check online if you want the data and all. It's ranked 19 college in India.
before that IIT Indore, it was the best college.
एग्जैक्टली तो
And
भाई
still it
जैसे
is.
तैसे करके भाई मैंने उनको बोला तो देन दे स्टार्टेड टेकिंग इंटरव्यू ऑल्दो आई गॉट यू नो आई हैव टू क्लियर 7-8 इंटरव्यूज एट दैट टाइम सो आई वुड नॉट वांट टू गो इन डीप मतलब ओयो में मैंने बहुत मेरे को एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा मिला भाई
So that time it was a startup, like only startup.
that was a startup. See, to join a startup is very good thing if you want to learn things from startup. स्टार्टअप में क्या होता है ना भाई तेरे को ये होता है
Start
कि
from basic,
तू अगर एमएनसी में गलती करेगा तो तुमको जॉब से बाहर निकाल देंगे बट ओयो हैज गिवन अस अ गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू लर्न न्यू थिंग्स
It's a big name now.
हाँ इट्स अ बिग नेम नाउ और हमने बहुत कुछ किया यार ओयो के लिए ऐसा नहीं था मतलब द वेरी बिग प्रोजेक्ट आई हैव हेडेड फॉर ओयो इज सिंहस्थ महाकुंभ प्रोजेक्ट
Oh, that was
I
managed
was
by
I was the project head for that and Oyo has just transferred me 1.5 CR rupees 1.5 करोड़ रुपए देके बोला था कि we want to make you profit.
Okay.
So मेरी एज भी बहुत कम थी उस टाइम पे एंड ऑल आई हैव टू डिसाइड कि व्हाट आई हैव टू डू वो बहुत डीप हो जाएगा लेट्स नॉट गो इनटू दैट
So like schooling, where have you done from? Like from Pachor, right?
हाँ हाँ प्रोविडेंस कॉन्वेंट से
Providence
मैं पढ़ा हुआ था
Up to 10th class.
हाँ यार मतलब मैं कुछ ज़्यादा मेरा वो नहीं था बट
Yeah, Providence is a good college in that school.
नहीं I was an average student and still I was
Average student works well, very well.
I'm an average one मतलब I don't have that big dream
And plus that 10 and 12th, where have you done from?
10th and 12th I went there Kota Resonance.
Okay, you would be dummy student.
Yeah, I was the
11th,
student from one of the school only, from here only.
Sorry guys, so as you can see the frame, चेहरा दिख नहीं रहा होगा मयूर का because he was in a hurry and I could not talk much with मयूर that day. And मैं कभी जाऊँगा इंदौर में तो हम बात करेंगे कभी और एक और इंटरव्यू लेंगे मयूर के साथ. And that's it. Thank you मयूर.